Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a payment link on Revolut. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. And in case you haven't signed up to Revolut yet, you can find a link in the description for a referral code to give you a small bonus as a start. So all you have to do is click on the payment section in the middle, and then from here you're going to click on the top right section where it says the plus sign. And then from here you're going to create a link. As you can see, there's a button that says link. Now from here you can either send money or request money or create a pro payment link, but that is for businesses. For normal side, all you have to do is click on request money. And then from here, as you can see, now you have it. And if you want to create a specific link with a specific amount, then all you have to do is click on request a specific amount. And then from here, you can select whatever currency you would like. So for example, USD, and for example, $100, and then simply click on create link. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.